Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just give me 1 second here while I share my screen. All righty. Hopefully this will do the job. Yay. Okay. Big news going on right now. Couple things. Looks like my website has been shadow banned. I'm going to put up a separate video on this, addressing it on YouTube. But most likely we'll move off of Facebook and Google. So I'm not sure how long I can keep doing these kind of videos for, but I'm going to go over these in the meantime with this video. So I have gotten a couple of returns here. Now, as I said, I'm not sure how long this situation I'm in right now will last, but if you want to get my email list to get on the carry the conversation, you go quantlabs.net, get on my email list, or click here to get on my Telegram news channel. All right, so right now, this is what's going on with crypto. We've had some double-digit returns. First, let me talk about my futures bot. It's kind of done, really. So I just want to show you similar reports I've shown in spreadsheets here. Today is the 19th of March at, what time is it? 19:19, 7 p.m., 7:19 p.m. So here's tonight, last number of positions. 1858 was the last position. I'm going to show you Bitcoin, but Bitcoin has been down. Here you can see here it's been fairly negative. This is an hour chart. Let me just pull up the 6 hour. Actually, it's been on a decline and an upswing. Here it's on an upswing. So considering 0.6%, it's okay. It's been steady throughout the day. So I'm kind of happy with that. And let me show you, and this is what it's been trading. One position in Bitcoin out of 17, everything else is Bitcoin. So that's kind of what we're at. Here's Litecoin. But the real surprise, well, I shouldn't say surprise anymore, is the overall performance of the spot bot. Let me show you right now just the yesterday's, how it was working out with this thing. This is the spot bot. So that's where it was left off yesterday. It was a nasty bug I caught yesterday, but it seems to be operating normally. So I'm not going to really include that for the spot bot. Let me show you this, the futures bot returned yesterday when I turned it on and activated it. I've tightened it up a lot in the trading conditions. So here it's a lot of positions. So I'm just not into that. But similar returns, 0.7, I think it peaked at. It was quite negative yesterday. As you can see, I'm going to pull up my Bitcoin again. So Bitcoin was fairly negative for the last 2 days until today. Ethereum, similar. So that's not bad. I mean, it's profitable compared to what's been happening in the markets. Everything's really mixed. So, but the real surprise is, of course, so I've shown you these spot bot returns yesterday. So today is the one I want to show you. We're going to go through this. This one's done really good. Okay, this is today spot bot for Binance again. Lots of positions put on, well over 500. It's only 7 p.m. I have tightened up the entries. You can see here it's starting to get double-digit returns, 13%. I don't know what the peak was at, but I'm figuring 15%. If it hits 15%, take it. And just shut down the bot until midnight next day because we want to retain our profit. Here, 15%. So if I shut my bot off at 8:54, that's the peak. So all this extra trading is not really worthwhile. Namely, I'm paying out in commissions, so why bother with that, right? So that's one thing I want to factor in when we do take these daily targets. Anyways, I wanted to go over, a lot of people seem to want to know about these. As I said, I'm moving over, I've had this channel for a while, is over at Rumble, okay, rumble.com. This is one of the reasons why I think Google's punishing my website. Anti-competitiveness, I can't prove it. Well, I can prove it, but I'm gonna leave that for another video. But if you want to follow me, just do this. Look for Quant Labs on the channel here at rumble.com. In there, I've put up an explanation what's been going on with the Google search. That's probably where I'll end up with all these videos. I'm probably gonna miss out on a lot of people. That's why I gotta start advertising to make up for that. Namely, probably on Twitter. I'm not gonna give Google my money with this shenanigans going on. All right, so let's get started with this. I'm sure you want to know more about this, what's been profitable. Now I'm gonna skip all of these because it's all negative, but I'll pick it up right here. Okay, I'm gonna do, so I'll be calling these out from this spreadsheet that I have. I am going to ensure I have my stream open for YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it all. Let me just see here. Okay, so we're all set up. Good. All right, so I'm going to go through these. These are the ones that have been performing. These are usually the same culprit. I don't know if you've seen this one. It's been just unreal, absolutely unreal. So what we're talking about, this is MITH USDT. Look at this. We're at 2 cents, February 7th, and now it's at 8 cents. So it's gone up 4.5 times. One I covered yesterday was my top story on my Telegram channel, as well as other sources with this one I called Alice. Look at this. Look at these moves here. This one, 2 cents, sorry, 5 cents close. And look where it's at now, 8 cents. So it's almost doubled. Unreal. But we'll go through these. So crypto's on fire. You're just not hearing about them. Okay, so again, we are going to start at, where am I going to start here? Positive ROI. So I'm going to start here at 1 inch. Okay, so if you have any comments, questions, let me know. I can cover any coins you want. As long as it's traded on Binance Spot, we'll be good to go. So our first one we're going to look at is 1 inch. I've seen so many ads for this, it's crazy. Somebody pull up on my 1-day chart, flat, okay? So there's some of these that have done extremely, extremely well, but we'll find them. But again, I keep saying the same thing. Unless you use a service like I got, you're not gonna know about these. So here you can see that BNB went from 242, March 9th, all the way up to 260, 25% return, and it's gone flat. Okay, so don't know what to tell you there, but it's profitable. We got another one, VET, VET, USDT. Okay, so again, we have here not much, 5 cents to 5.3 cents, not much return there on VET, NPX. The way to know about these is by going through this process of so many of these, though, it's a problem. It's like looking for needle in a haystack. But we've already found a couple. I've already shown you one day. Here we go. Here's another one. This one's done really good today. Close at roughly close there at 344.05. It's gone up almost 25% there in 1 day. Still in play. So worth watching the video just right there. So it's already gone up. I'm going to say almost 50%. It's still in play, it looks like. Nice. Okay. So let's do another one here. IOST. Followed you via Rumble. Thank you with my gaze. I appreciate that. Unfortunately, I have no control on what YouTube does, but I'm sure you know about it. IOST, USDT. Thanks for all the help too and support. I really appreciate it. Okay, so you can see this is fairly flat. That's IOST. Next one is Algo. Algo, USDT, flat again, doesn't do much. We like those explosive moves. Just so you know, on Rumble, apparently they're gonna, or it's on LBRY, so I might switch over to LBRY if they allow live streaming. I'm following Rob Braxman. He seems to be getting places online. He said he's gonna do his first live stream maybe tonight on man. So we want SUN. Sun USDT. What is the reasoning behind beginning the crypto bot trading exactly at midnight? That's my time, midnight. That is for risk management. So you can see here, since March 5th, 1542 all the way up to $18, $19, so 10%. The reason I'm saying midnight is because it's like resetting a new trading day. And you set a daily target of some kind, shut down the bot as I showed in the spreadsheet earlier. All those excess trades are putting your profit at risk where you could lose it. On top, you're paying out extra commissions where you don't need to. Sun, I don't know why it's not defaulting to my 1 day. Now again, we're using MotiveWave. I just got notified that I think MotiveWave's having another sale. So just so you are aware of that. 1 day, okay. So this one's doing, So we're looking at here, close at 15, 18 cents, up 19. So it's another 10% move or so. I don't think I'll be able to do live streaming anymore on YouTube. I might have to move something like maybe Patreon or something. It's not a lot of free places where you can do live streaming. QTUM, USDT. I guess I could stay on YouTube. But I'm going to do a video on that afterwards. Very flat QTUM. One. I think I haven't seen that in a while. Or maybe that might be a new one. Okay, one USDT. Okay, so that's not really done a whole lot. No, that's Ethereum. One place I can go to is Discord, have a Discord server. So that's a possibility. One, I don't know why it's not working. One. Actually, it might not even be on this has to be on Binance. This is a new one. I've never seen this one before. One USD. Oh, I'm sorry. It's called. It's these new ones you got to really. One. Let's see here. Search for it. I don't know. I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, let's see one of the better performing coins engine. What you should do, set up Streamlabs multi-stream to many platforms. I have that. I used to do that with open broadcasting systems. I'm doing this via Zoom. So, but I'm syncing with YouTube. It's been the best performer so far. I'm thinking of dumping Mint Linux. It's been a real headache to work with. The theta is fairly flat. When I say headache. It's just, I don't know why, it just keeps killing my internet connection. I'm running Ubuntu on another system. It's not giving me the same problem. This is my one day right here. So it's coming back a little bit. No. SCU. Let's see here. SCU USDT. SCU. I don't know. One. I don't know why SCU. Oh, SC is SIA coin. I'm sorry. SC USDT. This one's been performing fairly well. Engine Theta 1, ICX is another surprising one that did well. So ones you think that you write off do well. I also have a podcast, but so this one's in moving straight up. I mean, when you look at the peak here, 163 to 19, that's almost a 10-15% return. Engine Theta, SCU 1, Matic. So I'm not banned from YouTube. The problem is it's shadow banning. They don't put my videos into the suggested video into the suggested anymore. That's how you grow as a YouTube channel. You can see that's been doing very well up until here. February 8th, it's been in decline since. That's for Matic. ICX1, SCU, CHZ. As you know, this one was doing pretty good early in the week. I appreciate you. I don't know why it's just defaulting to the hourly. Okay, we want daily. Wow, that's an amazing run up. Had a big drop yesterday, but today ended up at 652 all the way up to 80. This could be another run up. A good one there. Theta, CHZ, BNB we've looked at. So these are some of the bigger movers. We got here Dash. So I've already given you two ones that have just been utterly amazing. Dash, nothing. Well, sort of. Price 243 up to 224. So maybe a 5-10% in there. OMG. OMG. Okay. Daily, yeah, not much. Uniswap, probably another story, very flat. They seem to get to a certain size and they drop off. You want to pick them up as they get newly launched. See, this is fairly flat here. Been in a steady decline here from its peak at 34. Next up, we have Filecoin. This one was surprisingly doing well, really good. Filecoin. Well, I digress. Probably intraday. Uni CRV. but it's getting to a point now where the little coins don't really matter as long as they profit. CRV is looking pretty good there. January 28th. Yeah, here today. Okay, so we want today. So 2 days ago, $1.13 up to $1, I'll say 20, 10% move there. So what else we got here? I said CRV, BTT was a surprise. BTT. Wow, BTT's done amazing. Look at that. So today, 16,928 all the way up to 2000 there. So it's a good 25% move. That's what I mean. The ones you don't expect. If you're NEO, I don't expect a lot with NEO. Yeah, not much with NEO. Reef. This one doesn't do a whole lot. Anyone else got any questions in the meantime? Yeah, didn't do much. Reef. Tron looks like it's been moving a little bit. Again, a lot of these are just flat. TRX. Again, not much. I mean, that's probably a 10%, 5 cents, 5.50. That's a 5% move. Better than you're going to get in the stock market just from that one little trade today. Tron. Okay, we just did that. Okay, people always ask about Doge. I think Doge is nothing to brag about. Last couple of weeks. Yeah, you can see here it's been really flat. Mana's been doing okay. Okay. Mana. Oops. Well, that's mana.btc there. You can see there. Let me just put it in the USDT. But Mana's been doing really good. As I said, that is probably the best performing coin on Coinbase. USDT. Look at that. Wow. Just 2 days ago, it was at 5.2 cents. Now it's doubled. 1.1. Right now it's at 97. So it's already doubled. That's a really good coin. GRT. That one I talked about yesterday. So if you're smart following you, they made good money on that one. GRT, flat. Ontology. Ontology, USDT, flat. SRM. I don't think I expect a lot here, but I've said that before. SRM. Flat. Okay, what else we got? Zcoin I'm seeing. This one's going to be a disappointment, probably. Yeah. Well, actually, since yesterday, 2 days ago, price here 123 up to 124. So that's what 10% move? No, be more than that. 1% move, but still. ETC. Some of these bigger coins are not doing a whole lot, but yeah, this one's done okay. So if that's at 11.11 to 11.16, 1%. Okay, I've shown you Alice RVN. RVN. USDT. Daily. Now we're talking. So today alone, 21 cents, all the way up 28 cents. You do the math. REN. Again, it's been a fairly mixed day today. REN. Lots of coins to choose from. REN declining, not good. That's why I'm not seeing it that much. YFI and then Link. Actually, I just put up Chainlink here. People probably want to know about that one. It's definitely not a top performer. Not lately, at least. Yeah. So here it's gone from 27 to 27.68. Not much. Next one was YFI. Again, not really moving. YFI. USDT. So 2 days ago, we're looking at 31,879 to 35,608. Not much excitement there. CIV. Okay, ZIL may move. No, a couple days ago it was at 11 cents, moved up to just again 11 cents, barely moved. Kava. If you've been watching the last couple of days, I'm sure you're seeing the same old names. Kava, USDT, flat. Refi IST, oh no, JST. Haven't seen this in a while. So a lot of these coins are kind of, I won't say left for dead, but they're not the explosive movers that we like to see. I had a nice little bar. See what I mean? You could be wrong. So that close was at 6.4 cents to 6.451. Yeah. Compound. This was moving quite a bit a few weeks ago. Compound. USDT. Not much. Little bar here. 493 to 493. Ooh. AKNR. Nice. Okay, so here we're looking at March 6th, 3 cents all the way up to 4.4 cents. So it's a 1/4% move, 25%, I should say. Anything new in here? I'm looking through the list. H bar was another one that was doing quite well. Daily. Wow. So I mean, this has been doing amazing. March 7th, price 15 cents. So it's all the way up to 26 cents, almost doubled. I see here AVAX. This was doing quite well. AVAX. So AVAX good too. Thank you, Isham. Appreciate this one's been doing pretty good lately. Let me just 1 day. Yeah, it's been flat. Sorry. Let's see here. Next one, and we got Aave. I've already shown you Litecoin, so I'll skip that one. Aave. Here we have priced 371 to 373, 1% movers with my gaze. Is there a way you can apply the Kelly criterion on the method on ongoing daily trading with the bot? I could. Each day you quit if your bot loses 2% or to 4%, for example. I could do that, but it's just better to set a flat a flat daily target, I'm figuring 15% is pretty safe. If it hits 15%, I'm basing it upon probabilities. I've been running the bot now for a couple of weeks. The highest has been is 20%. And if I'm at 15%, I think I should be happy. So that's why I'm going to shut her down. But trade every day targeting those double-digit gains. Yeah, like I said, 15% returns are good, should allow you to keep growing the account consistently. Yeah, that's why 15% is a very good move. I'm not sure, as I said, still too early to say about the futures bot, but it's around 0.5% the last day or so. What else am I looking at here? AVAX, KNC. This one's looking pretty good here. March 3rd, $1.83 to 236, over 20%, maybe 30% move. AVAX is an accumulation and will touch $60. That's maybe, but what I'm seeing, I'm not going to trade that. The bot will trade it. If it gets there, the bot will scalp it. But there's better ones out there, like I showed you. The Mish, M-I-C-H, or sorry, M-I-T-H has done well. Alice has done well. So why hold on to something that doesn't perform as well as some of the other ones? I mean, look at this. Bitcoin Cash at 501 March 1st, and now it's at 593. Pretty good. That's pretty good for a Bitcoin. BTC we've already looked at. Let's look at Monero. My futures bot will pick up Bitcoin Cash. Problem is, there's not enough volume there. So here's XMR. Not much going on there. BT we looked at, GST we looked at, Ontology, SRM. A lot of these are going to be, oh, there's one, DOT. Let's see, this one's been a disappointment for the last few weeks. I've seen more Uniswap than DOT, Polkadot. But you just never know. And it's been peaking. So here, March 9th, 38.97, and now it's barely moved to 37. Showing you, okay, XEM's another one that's been moving lately. The volume on that, it's pretty strong actually. XEM, well, I should say that's been hit really hard. So forget that one. If you guys have got any other questions, I can gladly respond. EOS, I tried with the futures bot. There's just no way this is going to get traded on the futures bot. Some nice volume though today. 378, 428. So it's a good little move for just today alone. This is the problem. You just don't know what's going to move. Algo. Here's this new one here called Lena. It's these ones are the ones that can just blow up. Look at that. So here, March 1st, $1.68, now 230, 238, 230, yeah, 231. It's about 50% move. Not bad. Sushi, did I show? I'll show it again just in case. This one's been doing okay. I tell you, I mean, it's been consistently moving up. That's a nice one. It's come down a bit, but it's really hard to say what ones will stay moving up. Here's another one, XRP. I think this is going to be a disappointment. But again, I could be wrong. There's so much random. There's really no story behind what moves and what doesn't. Yeah, it's been flat. RXR again, same thing. RSR. Yeah, I mean, nice boot bar move here, 7 cents to, well, a couple of percent. So it really doesn't matter if a coin is taken off or tanking. You just want there to be as much volatility No, I wouldn't call it volatility, but I would call it momentum. Momentum is what you want. Volatility can work against you. It's momentum of the price to move her up. I mean, some of these coins move up just based upon whatever's driving it, price, news, whatever. But that's usually what does it. Here's a couple of new ones. ZRX. The problem is there's really no story behind it. Flat. Or are you hoping the bot detects coins that are about to take off primarily? No, as I said yesterday, what drives it is certain criteria the bot watches. It's like a screener process. And once it hits that certain trigger on certain moves, then it puts it on a watch list and it'll start trading when certain conditions are met. It's basically it. And it's price, there's nothing else. XTC has been flat, that's Tezos. Adams, another one. The only way to win in this game is to have what I've got. Flat on Atom. That's all I can tell you. I wish I could give you better news, because here I could say, oh, it doesn't look good, it won't win, but it does win. I mean, it's proven in the charts here, and all these different little coins. That's why I think my future spot's been fairly flat, but it's these other coins that are just blowing up. But there, as I said, there's really no momentum. Like Stellar is a good example. But they said there's gonna be a correction here, and there probably is, but XLM. Yeah, been flat right there for XLM, which is Stellar. A lot of them are just nothing but disappointments. This one's done fairly well, T-Fuel. This one's been very good lately, but lately, I don't know, in the last few days. Look at that, boom. So all the way back to February 27th, 9 cents, all the way up to 45 cents. It's a 500 time freaking return. It's come back, and now you got, see that little positive there? It could be back in play. Hardly been touched by these hits on Bitcoin. This one's been untouched, nothing but run up. So that's a pure momentum play. I don't know if your newsletter tells you that, but that one's been doing unbelievable. Let's look at Maker. That's why it might be worthwhile to watch these videos. Flat. Again, if you just join us, I'll probably have to move this all over to Rumble. You thank Google and YouTube that are just really not doing a good job for the channel here. Cardano, a lot of people have been wanting to know this. They're just too late, Johnny. But here's a good move though. Price $1.03 today, $1.24. That's a 20% move. Do you know what that got driven up? I have no idea. ZRX, Atom, File, a lot of these we've already covered. Bitcoin, I'm seeing a little bit. Bitcoin's here. That's starting to move. Ethereum, eking out a little bit of a profit, but as I've shown you, there's other coins that are just doing incredibly well. One I just showed you, T-Fuel, 500 time return. Which one would you rather have? And the fewer that know about it, the better. That could be a pump, and that's fine. But you're able to benefit from it. As long as you're able to withdraw out of the account from Binance, you're good to go. KSM, I don't think I've shown. So I'm starting to run out of coins to show you. KSM, yeah, flat again for the last 3 days. I'm only showing you I'm sorry, these are hourly charts. Wow, look at that. That's a big move there. 220 yesterday, running up to $300. Who would think, eh? Let me just pull up Doge again. think people want to see that. Doge. Yeah, flat. Oh, ANKR. So these are coins I've seen before, but they're just not really doing a whole lot outside the ones I'm showing that have been really good. This one's done really well. Then again, hardly didn't get hit a whole lot on the last drop. So here, when you look at January 28th, the price 1.1 cents. Now it's at 4.4 cents. 4-time move since that time period. Pretty good. Here's another one, BAT. And that coin I just put out there is still in play. Yeah, so this one's kind of coming back, not a whole lot. Sol, looks like there's been some action there. Okay, Sol, yeah, kind of been flat. Cardano, Sushi, Sol been doing a lot. CHR, I'm not sure. That was another good one. See what I mean? Look at that. Those just here, March 8th, price 12 cents, all the way up to 65 cents. Peaked to 75 cents and has come back. Now it's at 50 cents. Did you see that move before? Unreal. That's all I got, folks. No further questions or comments, but I think we've done quite a bit here. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for watching. Watch my next video. I'm going to put out what I'll be doing moving forward on this YouTube, Google slap thing. Call it whatever you want. Okay, thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day.